Okay, this video is for Matthew. I think I know why we might have failed the inspection, and it might have something to do with this thing here that the inspector might use. I'm not really sure what he used to inspect this, but if he used this, we might fail sometimes because it's too sensitive to where like it will read its the hot is close enough to the neutral to where actually when you put it here, it's still reading the hot terminal instead of the neutral. And so what I found out how what works is that if I test it close enough to the neutral, but on this side here, it's always 100% gonna read negative for the neutral, and close enough here, always 100% positive for the hot. So that way we're not close enough to where it will read positive, because it's reading right here is close enough and it's actually reading the hot here. So if we read it far enough, like right here or right here, then we're gonna get more accurate reading. So just a little thing. I think that when we have our next inspection, it might be best to actually have somebody here to explain that to him. Again, I'm not really sure what kind of instrument he's using, but it could be too sensitive to where this, if this is close enough, it will read off of this thing. It's not that we're wiring it incorrectly. And I think I found this out after, an entire day of reading around and trying to do different things and like flipping and turning out all of the outlets that we have here in the shop. So I think that's why we failed. But yeah, if we have somebody here to kind of explain that to him, that would probably work really well.